What's up, guys? Listen, if you are looking for a different type of account, now we've got Lucid Black. We are no longer doing Lucid Pros. There's been a whole bunch of announcements coming out of Lucid trading. So you're going to want to stick around and listen to these rules with me so that you and I can dissect this thing together instead of just pretending and guessing. Let's just go over the whole thing and we'll start reading it right now. Okay, Lucid Black, here we go. We got the Lucid Black evaluation account. Lucid Black evaluation account is a simulated account with a profit target that must be hit before the traders are eligible to upgrade to a Lucid Black funded account. See the account sizes and details below. We always deal with a 50K. So on the 50K, it's the same thing. We got a $3,000 profit target, $2,000 max loss limit, 60% consistency rule in the evaluation phase, and we're max size is 4 minis on the evaluation account. So the max loss is 2,000, and we have a 60% consistency. So this is the same thing. It's still a 2-day pass. Lucid Black evaluation account benefits. One-time fee, no monthly rebilling, take as long as you need to pass. You got real-time activation. You can upgrade to a funded account with 5 to 30 minutes of hitting the profit target. No activation fees to upgrade to a funded account. There is no DLL on Lucid Black evaluation accounts, and the Lucid Black evaluation 60% consistency allows for an easier 2-day pass. Okay, great. So let's move on to the next thing, which is going to be the Lucid Black funded account. Lucid Black funded account overview. The Lucid Black funded account is a simulated account where traders build simulated capital to earn payouts and potentially be moved to live markets. See account sizes and details below. So the $50,000 is a $2,000 max limit. We got 40% consistency. It does have a scaling plan, and we need 4 minis. Okay, Lucid Black funded account benefits. Objectives on our dashboard update in real time within 5 to 30 minutes of your last closed trade. There is no DLL on Black funded accounts, and there's no trading day requirements on Lucid Black. Reach a payout in as little as 3 days on a Lucid Black funded account, and traders may earn bonus payouts on Lucid Black funded accounts. So that's definitely different from Flex. Now the payout days, you only need 3. Okay, what's next? We got the payout objectives. So in the general requirements, you need to be eligible for a payout for a Lucid Black account. You must not violate any trading rules, terms, conditions, or the Lucid Black account agreement. Payouts requests are final once submitted. They cannot be edited or canceled. There is a profit split structure. All Lucid Black funded accounts payouts are split 90% to the trader and 10% to Lucid Trading. And the payout eligibility there are 2 requirements that must be met in Lucid Black to qualify for a payout. There is a third optional requirement to earn a bonus payment. Okay, consistency percentage. Your largest single day profit must be no more than 40% of your total profit during the payout cycle. So the 40% consistency percentage resets after each payout. And this ensures that the profits that are earned with consistency, not via one unusually large trading day. So let's see the rules section for full details on consistency calculations. So number 2, we got a payout profit goal. To be eligible for a payout, you must reach a minimum profit goal during each payout cycle. The profit goal resets to 0 after each approved payout. All right. So if $50,000, your profit goal is $3,000, just like that's pretty standard and normal, right? So the bonus payout, which is profit goal, which is the optional thing, you don't have to get this, but if you make more, you can. So the Lucid Black offers traders the opportunity to earn a bonus payout by hitting a higher profit target during a payout cycle. The bonus payout is available on payouts 2 through 4. It's not available on the first payout. So you have to get at least one payout before it becomes eligible for this. So it allows traders to earn larger payouts by exceeding the standard profit goal, and it's completely optional. You can still receive a payout without qualifying for the bonus. There's no additional fee for having the bonus payout feature enabled. To be eligible for a bonus payout, you must reach the bonus profit goal during each payout cycle. This profit goal resets to $0 after each approved payout. So here's your account size, $50,000. The bonus profit goal is $5,000. So you got a standard payout minimums and maximums. Minimum payout request, $500, and the maximum payout depends on your account size. So with the $50,000, the standard payout maximum will be $1,500. There is no buffer balance that must be maintained in Lucid Black funded accounts. Here's the bonus payout maximums. The bonus payout is earned after the full bonus profit goal is reached. While earned, the bonus payout is added to the standard payout. Example, 50K account, Lucid Black account. So a trader meets the standard profit goal, he may request up to $1,500. Trader meets bonus profit goal, he may request another $1,500. Trader may request up to $3,000 for that payout cycle, so please see the table below. So $50,000 account, we got a bonus maximum payout of $1,500. And then payout timing and processing. There is No fixed payout window. You may request a payout any day after meeting all the eligibility criteria. So once approved, the funds will be deducted, and you know how, look, Lucid pays super fast. The funds will be deducted from your account within a few minutes, and the payouts will be dispersed to your payment method within 2 business days. It knows that it happens much quicker than that. Important, if you take a trade before your payout is processed that drops your balance below the required amount, your request may be denied, obviously. Okay, let's jump to the next thing real quick. Let's go to the consistency percentage. So the consistency percentage tracks a trader's ability to earn profits over multiple sessions. This demonstrates that a trader has and can adhere to a risk management strategy. Lucid Black has a consistency percentage in both the evaluation and in the funded accounts. The calculation. The Lucid Black evaluation accounts, you must have a consistency percentage of 60% or less to be eligible to upgrade to a Lucid Black funded account. And then once you're in the funded account, you must have a consistency percentage of 40% or less to be eligible to be upgraded to a Lucid Black funded account. So that's a Lucid Black live account. That's a typo. You saw it here. We made this right as it came out. They're going to change that. We'll go back and look at it later. I'm sure at some point they'll have changed that. It's that particularly the 40% when you're in the funded Lucid Black funded, it's 40%, and then to be considered to move up to the next step, right? So use the following formula to determine if you're adhering to the consistency percentage. Largest single day profit divided by account profit equals consistency percentage. Example, you trade a 50K account, evaluation account, your largest single day profit was $750. When you reach a $3,000 profit target, plug the values into the above formula. 750 divided by 300 equals 25%. And congratulations, you have maintained a consistency under the Lucid Black evaluation 60% requirement. You may now upgrade to a Lucid Black funded account. However, if your largest day had exceeded 60% of your total account profit, you would need to continue trading until your largest day is 60% or less. All right, we're moving right along through this thing. Let's jump into the scaling plan. So the scaling plan controls how much of your max size is available to trade based on the simulated profits in your account. As your simulated profits increase and decrease, your max tradable contract size moves up and down based on the table see below for details. The scaling plan updates at the end of each session, so your limits will not update in real time throughout the day. It is an end-of-day thing, so please see the table below for details. So in simulated profits, and depending on what size your account is, from 0 to $9.99 on a 50K, you can use 2 minis. From 1,000 to 1,900, you can use 3. From 2,000 to 3,000, you can use 4, or 2,000 to 2,999 for all you super detail-oriented people out there, 4. And then 3,000 plus, it just stays at 4 because that's the max anyway. Circumventing the scaling plan. Some traders may be inclined to try to get around the scaling plan. Our backend system tracks for this. If we see any repeated behavior attempting to get around the limits, we may review your account. Okay, moving right along, let's do Lucid Black drawdown. So at the end of the day, it's an end-of-day drawdown, just like all Lucid accounts have always been. Lucid Black evaluation and funded accounts use the end-of-day drawdown. So to calculate your max loss limit, the MLO. At the end of each trading session, the system calculates the account's highest closing balance. The MLO increases as your balance grows up to a defined point. Once your account exceeds the initial trail balance, the MLO locks and no longer moves. Okay, so $50,000, you got your MLO amount, which is $2,000. The initial trail balance will be up to $52,100, so it's plus $100. And then the locked MLO balance will be $50,100, which is the amount of the drawdown, the initial balance, the amount of the drawdown minus the $2,000. You come out to $50,000 That's where the MLO locks, and you no longer have to worry about it anyway. So as with the other account types, the MLO rises with your closing balance until it reaches the trail. Once the account exceeds the trail, the MLO locks and the initial balance plus $100. If your account balance reached the MLO, your account will be breached, meaning you can't touch it. Once it locks, that's it. It doesn't move anymore, but if you go up and then come back and touch it, the account will blow up. And the last thing is the Lucid Black Live. And you know what? I'm not going to read all of this to you. You know why? Because the chances of you actually making it to the live account are very small. If you want to know more about the live account, drop a comment down below and I'll make that video. But for most of us, this is not important yet anyway. We just need to make enough payouts to actually get to that live account, and then we can worry about transitioning to live. I will tell you this also because I've been reading through their stuff. This is a big update. There's a lot happening. This is just the rules right now for the Lucid Black account. There's a lot going on with this right now. I know they got rid of Lucid Pro. So there's only Lucid Flex, and then Lucid Black, and then there's also Lucid Direct. So the Lucid Pro account has been phased out. So we need to be aware of that. There won't be any more resets. There won't be any more purchases of Lucid Pro anymore. So if you guys like this kind of content, please drop a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, let me know that you love it. Right now, you can get 5 of these accounts for 40% off. Use my code RTF. They're doing only 5 per household. If you want to buy one of the other accounts, just put RTF. I'm sure there's a discount for that. It's probably 30%, somewhere in there, around where they've generally been accepting those kind of discounts in the past, right? So I am going to leave some other videos up here. We're going to do a video here for Lucid Flex to give you all the rules for the Lucid Flex accounts, and another video for Lucid Direct as well, plus the playlist for all of it. If you want to see everything about Lucid, hit that playlist. I've got videos on all the different things that are going on with Lucid right now. So I will see you guys on the next one.